Welcome to Dollar Tree. If you want a Pottery Barn dupe Christmas 2024, they have these gorgeous plates that are over $40 on Pottery Barn. A very similar one you can find at Dollar Tree for $1.25.
This is a brand new product flying off shelves, and I can see why. The evergreen design on these are so classic traditional. They even have drinking glasses and mugs, and I'm seeing this all over. Like, these are crate and barrel plates that have a very similar design. So check for these in your local Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you how I style everything, including these holly plates, and comparing it to high-end retailers. Look how much these Pottery Barn chargers are. The Dollar Tree chargers come in so many styles now. I don't think I can pick a favorite, but the ones that I have at home are these. I love the color on these. They're at most stores right now, and you would have no idea that all this came from Dollar Tree if I hadn't told you.
We've got a whole tablescape coming, tons of DIY ideas, even shopping for food on a budget. Let's hit it.
This is entertaining made easy. Absolutely no skill required, I promise.
They have beautiful glasses here. I love these tall hurricane vases, and I love these. Why? Because they look like little snow globes. Grab some floating candles. We're gonna make an incredible Dollar Tree tablescape on a dime.
And I am so practical. All of these items you can use season to season, like these floating candles and these tea light candle holders. They're great any time of year.
If you want to add a touch of elegance, I really like these small berries too. You can take garlands that you already have. These are already pre-flocked and they look awesome.
Grab some faux snow at Dollar Tree and some bottle brush trees. You can get these here or just pull them from your stash.
The employees here are so sweet. They are trying to get all of the Christmas out and like put away all the Halloween stuff. And they have these little village houses. Okay, just come here. We're previewing. Okay, so they have these little houses, which are so cute.
Do you have a mini Christmas village? I love the Dollar Tree versions. All right, so let's go home and make some classy DIYs. We've got the candles, the vases, and this bag of cranberries was just 99 cents. I'm gonna share with you how I do all of this on a dime. But what I love about cranberries is they float in water along with the candles. And Pottery Barn sells expensive bowls and vases, like super expensive. But check out this hack. Take little village houses. I actually thrifted mine and use the mini bowls as snow globes, and the larger $3 vessels can be super glued to the top of the mini bowls. This is going to give it the illusion that it's a bigger piece than it actually is. I used some of that faux snow as well as some Epsom salt right in the glasses, and they're like a beautiful winter wonderland. I am all about reusing items season to season. That way I have the same chargers I use every season and I can change out the plates. It's the same garland that I laid throughout, and these small little touches that I can bring in give a wow that's unique every year. And what I love about this is not only does it feel really whimsical, I can still see my guests over the candles, so everybody can still talk and enjoy the centerpiece. I would love to know what you think in the comments.
If you want like a very formal, beautiful setting, they have a 2-pack of taper candles. They even have ribbed taper candles that look awesome.
I was so excited to see Dollar Tree bring these back this year because Pottery Barn has similar ribbed and twisted styles that are really expensive. They light really well and just feel so elegant. But I think my favorite,
if you want to spruce up your dining room or just anywhere that you're setting out with food, I love these LED candles with timers. This is brand new this year. It kind of has that Charles Dickens look at the bottom. It comes in a golds, and then it even comes in this bronze look. And what's great is these are on a timer, so you have to remember to shut them off. That is key. Check this out.
these flicker in such an elegant way, and what's great is the batteries are inserted in the base so they don't topple over. That's been an issue with these candles in the past, and I just want to share with you on QVC and its Sharper Image how expensive. We're talking upwards of $100 for similar products. I put these in all of our front windows, and I couldn't believe how incredible they looked from the road. This is definitely giving a Charles Dickens vibe. This is the type of item you can use year to year, and I want you to get creative this year. Maybe you don't need to buy a whole new set of plates or all new decor. Maybe you want to buy one base plate and combine it with items that you already have, like these beautiful vintage English plates. I combine it with some of the Dollar Tree ones, and nobody would be any the wiser. That is one of my favorite things, to get super creative using simple products. And when it comes to simple, you can't get more simple than this.
Come to the office section and buy these craft paper rolls. You can roll these out and put all sorts of cheeses on these.
If you've got guests coming over and you want to keep it simple, check out these examples of the craft paper as well as charcuterie style dinner spreads.
Dollar Tree does have great name brand crackers. These bagel chips are absolutely awesome, especially on a cheese board.
Look out for the Monet crackers as well as the Cars crackers. At $1.25, this is an amazing deal. And when it comes to food and getting food on the cheap, it would be so fun to be able to go to Whole Foods. That's like the Pottery Barn of the food stores, right? Everything is organic and nice. My Whole Foods dupe is Aldi. I love Aldi. I have so many videos on Aldi on my channel, but when it comes to holiday stuff, I did some tests. Check this out.
This video is in no way sponsored by Aldi, but I want to share with you some amazing food deals, like easy appetizers. I don't have to think, I just go. I love the charcuterie shop. This entire section is brand new as of a couple years ago, and the prices are amazing. These jams are less than $2 each. And what's more, on the side, not that side, this side, it actually shares with you the cheese that you should pair with it. These make great gift ideas. They also have amazing pickled items. They have amazing honey, and their crackers are an out of this world deal. You can put together an entire cheese board so affordably. The cheese section at Aldi is fantastic. I love their truffle cheese, especially their truffle goat cheese, their honey goat cheese. The brie cheese is an amazing deal.
With cheese in particular, this is a 50 to 80% savings.
Also, dips are amazing. The Ziki dip I love, and I would like to know from you your thoughts.
I love the spinach artichoke dip too, out of this world.
Oh my gosh. All right, I just want to let you know about the produce at Aldi too. A bag of apples. This entire bag is just $1.99. The grapes are a great deal, and my kids love the cucumbers. These are just 95 cents, and I can combine this. It's just gonna make the cheese board look extra pretty. This is great with the Ziki.
So I challenged myself to put together a giant cheese board using some of the Dollar Tree crackers and all Aldi finds for under $45. Nearly identical items from Whole Foods would have cost me over $90 for the same tablescape. I had some girlfriends over so we could snack on this and get in the Christmas spirit, and it was a huge hit.
When it comes to the frozen section at Aldi, I've got you. These are the scores. You literally throw them in the oven, no prep, like keep it easy, but it tastes really good. Aldi is a German grocery store, and so all of the German items, especially these strudels, absolutely fantastic.
These come frozen, and y'all, this was $3.99. I promise, it is so good, lovely, sweet, and you let it cool after you take it out of the oven and serve.
The bistro mini quiches, what I like about a lot of these options is the temperature of the oven is pretty much the same. I'm gonna grab lots of items that are 450 setting in the oven so I can literally throw all of them in together. These are great. And come on, isn't that how you shop too? Come on, let's go. The supermarket sweep. Oh my gosh, I would be good in that show. Supermarket sweep. Or just like so chaotic that I would lose. I don't know. Yes, 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 yes. Cheesecake bites. So good. Have you tried these? What do you think? Let me know below.
These come frozen and then they thaw out. And if you took these to any party, I promise your guests would be wowed.
Aldi does cinnamon right, okay? These smell so good. These are just $3.69. You can put these out in your house. Your entire house will smell amazing.
So my friends and I rated the food for you. The cheese stuffed peppers are 5 stars and just $3.35. The cranberries are great too in the ice. This was a huge hit. They're only 99 cents. The quiches are great, as well as the stuffed jalapeno peppers. They're easy, under $3, and a crowd pleaser. The sweet potato chips are great and pair amazingly well with the spinach artichoke Ziki. I think what I love most is how easy the prep was. I didn't have to do any real baking or cooking. I can set this out and everything tasted awesome, and it was actually affordable. So however you're hosting this year, I hope this is helpful, from casual in your kitchen to beautiful tablescapes.
Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. Okay, when it comes, they're gonna get the phone.
You made it to the end. I handpicked this video just for you. Let's keep hanging out.